automobiles, electronics, wind turbines, petrochemicals, aerospace, medical equipment, or semiconductors. You name any product, and Taiwan can support you. Taiwan offers the best machine tools with high quality, high precision, high performance, and high value. We are the 7th largest machine tools manufacturer in the world. Here you can find the world's largest precision machinery industry cluster, with tens of thousands of suppliers located within 60 kilometers. Not only can we make diverse components and utilize various key processing technologies, but we are also backed by a highly flexible supply chain system. Our insistence on quality, combined with years of technical skills and comprehensive management system, as well as professional R&D capabilities, have helped us to create countless durable and reliable machines. And don't forget our advancement in Industry 4.0. Thanks to Taiwan's strong software development capabilities, from automation equipment to cloud services, we can integrate all processes. With the support of our proprietary condition monitoring, AI compensation, remote control, and reliability optimization, production is now easier and smarter than ever. From a single component to an entire production line, we offer a wide range of products, and we are always here for you. Taiwan Machine Tools, the partner who knows you best.